When it comes to substation battery market, you might expect a few established names to dominate this industry. But the market tells a much broader story. Ensys leads with 10% market share, followed by GS Yuasa at 7%. Excite Technology accounts for 6%, while Saft and East Penn hold 5 and 4% respectively. The real picture becomes clear when looking beyond the top list. Together, these 5 companies account only for 32% of the market, leaving a significant 68% in the hands of numerous regional and global manufacturers. This highly fragmented landscape keeps competition strong, fuels continuous innovation, and creates substantial opportunities for companies to expand their market presence in the evolving substation battery industry. Markets move fast, your decision need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your team move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insight into dependable actions.